It's Saturday morning. George and Harry are playing a computer game. Their cousin, Emma, is at school.
I love this game.
Emma's calling.
Hi guys,
Hi, Emma. What's up?
I'm calling because I need your help.
What kind of help?
I'm making decorations for the school fair. Look.
Nice, I like them.
Thanks, but I can't finish them on my own. It's a lot of work.
Can't your classmates help you?
Not really, they're all very busy. Please?
Well, I don't know. I'm rather busy too. I'm vacuuming right now.
Nice try. I can see the game controller. What about you, Harry? Are you vacuuming too?
No, I'm not. I've got tennis practice. Bye.
Sorry, Emma.
Yeah, right.
A little later,
It's a text from Emma.
What is she saying?